How to clear disk space and free up storage in Windows. So in order to clear disk space and free up storage in Windows, the first option that you can try out is hold the Windows key and press R. After you do that, in the text box right here, type free fetch, click on enter and make sure to click on continue. And after you get access to all of these files, what you can simply do is click on Ctrl A and all of these files will be selected, and click on Ctrl V, which will delete all of these prefetch files that are unnecessary. Some files you might not be able to delete, but that's okay. The next option to try out is hold on the Windows key again and press R, and in the text box right here type TEMP, and here we see the Windows temporary file. So what we can simply do is hold the Control key and type A again and delete all of these files as well. These are temporary files and not actually necessary. So the third option to try out is to hold on the Windows key again and press R, and instead of a temp here, just add percentage after temp and before temp, which will lead you to the user's temporary file, the local temporary files, right? So these are unnecessary as well. So you can just hold the Control key, press on A, and delete all of these files as well. After you have had this done, then this will clear disk space to some extent. And the fourth option to try out is to go to File Explorer, right click on the Windows right here, go to Properties, go to Tools, and click on Optimize right here. After you click on this Optimize, then you can optimize the defragment drive, which will help to clear some of the storage and free up the disk space, right? So you can click on Optimize here and then press on OK. So this will help your computer to run more efficiently. I recommend doing this once in every month. So after you've had that done, then go to Windows and type disk cleanup, and you need to select the drive that you want to clean up. Just go to the drop down menu and just select one of the drive that you want to clean up. If you have stuffs in your recycle bin stored, then you can also see the recycle bin option here, and you need to manually clean up the stuffs and files that are stored in your recycle bin. And the last option that I'm going to tell you about is to go to the Windows and type CMD. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator. Now in the command prompt, type the following command: ipconfig/flush all capital DNS. Make sure to include the DNS in all capital, right? And click on enter. After you do that, it will flush your DNS resolver cache. And after that's done with, then hold on the Windows key and press R again, and in the text box type WSRESET. Click on enter, and after you do that, your cache will be cleared out. So these were some of the options you can try to clear out the disk space and free up the storage in Windows. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.